Good medical morning. This is Watson, and today we're going to talk about YouTube's most popular doctor, Dr. Sandra. Wait, no, now YouTube has a new most popular doctor? Okay, well let's learn about Dr. Mike. People magazine named Dr. Mike America's Sexiest Doctor. He has almost 3 million Instagram followers and about 2 million subscribers on YouTube. Let's take a look at some of his procedures. Or not. Well, it turns out Dr. Mikhail Mike Varshavsky is more known for his good looks, nice clothes, and Q&A sessions.
What would you think one of your duties that would surprise other people that you do as a nurse?
Where you want me to start?
I don't know, give me something.
The nurse does majority of the education when it comes to medications.
Admittedly, he is very photogenic. Heck, even his dog is photogenic. He's even photogenic standing in front of a bathroom. Huh. Before I continue, leave Dr. Mike a comment below. If you're a fan, let him know about it. Mike is an actively practicing, board-certified family medicine doctor living in New York City. He says he's an avid explorer of life. Quote, "I'm just a man and his dogs against the world, human first." Mike clearly has a marketing team writing his biography. That's cool though. It definitely is working for him, and he has a ton of fans, and people absolutely love him. He says his goal is to make the field of medicine relatable, understandable, and fun. And we can relate to that. So check out his Instagram and others for more. Also, as a reminder, our channel is usually about procedures, so please only subscribe if you like procedural videos. If you would like to see medical procedures, just click the subscribe button now and click the notification bell for updates. Thanks for watching, we'll see you next time. If you watched this far into the video, please click that subscribe button. You're likely to enjoy more of our medical videos. Thanks for watching.